Hello, everybody. Uh, we would like to thank our fans, audience, media for making Bodyguard such a big hit because Hindi Bodyguard, which was just released, and immediately we have a Telugu version of the same script directed by Gopi sir, produced by Bellam Konda sir. It was a doubt in everybody's mind that how is the audience going to take the same script. So we were very eager for the release. We were thrilled, we were excited. At the same time, we were equally nervous because when one thing is already a hit, just at the gap of a month, uh, the thrill was to wait and watch. And we are so glad with the warm reaction the audience have given us, the media has supported us, and it has just overwhelmed us that with a gap of 1 month, we could give an equal response to the Hindi release. Whereas I have very less to speak about our great actor Venki sir because he is my senior and very sweet and very comfortable co-star to work with. At the same time, lots to learn with the patience he has. And Trisha, when I had started off, she was one of the leading actors that time too, and still holding on to the position and very friendly artist. So overall, working on this project was very exciting. So we were very much happy and thankful we are on the release that has happened with a hit. And it's all thanks to the writers, the director, who could edge each and every character so beautifully that even if it's a repeated one, it comes as a fresh flower again. And people have enjoyed, especially the hostel scene where Venki sir is dressed in lady, as a lady, and that is the most hilarious scene, I guess, in the whole movie. Apart from that, yes, like sir said, the last half an hour, it is nerve-cracking, too emotional, and though my family doesn't understand the language, but still my family was howling, crying, and I was like, oh my God, this has reached the audience, even if they don't understand the language. He has given the emotions so well. It has, like they say, language has no bar. Emotionally he has taken, and that's where, the last when it hits, it touches the audience, they carry that moment with them out. So once again, thank you to everybody. Thank you, sir, for doing such a beautiful script, so beautifully well accepted by the audience. And normally when you have a whole family going it for a movie, definitely it's a Pesta Vasool movie, and we are very much happy with the response. Thank you so much. Normally, in my other movie, I have a lot of talking doing. In last movie also in Telugu, I'm going chapat, and this movie was like a break for me where I'm like only expression, talking this, that. For me, like they say, action speaks much louder than words. So when I received good comments that people acknowledged me there, standing there, and they loved my character as well. So I was very happy because it was more like a mute character, only giving her expressions and trying to convey, and again I have to give the credit to the director because I can go loud, I can underplay it. It's him to control the expression according to the character, and it's supposed to be Trisha's manager's daughter's role. Sir has tried to given me best in non-verbal character also, and I didn't know whether I could pull on that or no, but I'm very happy that people have acknowledged that too. And yes, the turning point was the last 20 minutes where my death, could pay off in a good manner to the producer. Otherwise, I would have said that मुझे क्यों मारा, मुझे मार के क्या मिला, but at least मुझे मार के पैसा मिला, so I'm happy. Yeah, this is of course Maryada Ramana. It was 2 years, and after that, this year New Year started with a big hit. So It is very happening year for me, because when you have a hit in your kitty in the very beginning, your confidence, your morale boost is much higher than what you expect. And that's what has happened to me. Not only me, and my whole family is very thrilled. And Sankranti is supposed to be something where all the biggies come, where you have releases. Like I remember a few years ago, I had Kokila and Chukala Chandra on release. At the same time, Style and Lakshmi released, and they did well, and my movies are, it was that way. But, it is because you have holidays at a go, and at the same time, the whole family is together. So instead of one ticket, 10 tickets are sold out. So that's an added advantage, and people pay so much, nowadays. And if the whole family pays and goes for a movie which they love it, so, sitting in Bombay, it feels really good. You want to come back again, after that party hard time, you want to work harder, so that, people see more of your work, and we try to give the work which is desired by our audience, by our fans, and that can be done only with the help of a great director, and of course not to forget media support.